Hello students, in this e-lecture we will discuss the most important type of relations, that is equivalence relation. A relation R in the set A is said to be an equivalence relation if R is reflexive, symmetric and transitive. Let's discuss some examples of equivalence relation. In this example, let T be the set of all triangles in a plane and R be the relation in T defined as R containing the ordered pair T1, T2 in which triangle T1 is congruent to triangle T2. Show that R is an equivalence relation. For equivalence relation, we will check that given relation is reflexive, symmetric and transitive. Let's check reflexivity first. As we know, every triangle is congruent to itself, so ordered pair T1, T1 belongs to the relation R. Therefore, R is reflexive. For symmetric, let's assume that ordered pair T1, T2 belongs to the relation R. It means triangle T1 is congruent to triangle T2. So, triangle T2 is also congruent to triangle T1. This implies ordered pair T2, T1 belongs to the relation R. Therefore, R is symmetric. Now we check transitivity. For transitivity, let the ordered pair of triangle T1 and triangle T2 belongs to relation R and ordered pair of triangle T2 and triangle T3 belongs to relation R. This implies triangle T1 is congruent to triangle T2 and triangle T2 is congruent to triangle T3. So triangle T1 is also congruent to triangle T3. This implies ordered pair T1, T3 belongs to relation R. Therefore, R is transitive. As relation R is reflexive, symmetric and transitive, therefore R is an equivalence relation. Let's take one more example. Show that the relation R in the set A given by R containing the ordered pair AB in which mod A minus B is a multiple of 2 is an equivalence relation. Again, for equivalence relation, we will check that the given relation is reflexive, symmetric and transitive. As we know, modulus of A minus A is equals to 0, which is a multiple of 2. So, ordered pair AA belongs to relation R. Therefore, R is reflexive. For symmetric, let's assume ordered pair AB belongs to relation R. It means modulus of A minus B is a multiple of 2. So, modulus of B minus A is also a multiple of 2. This implies ordered pair BA belongs to relation R. Therefore, R is symmetric. Now we check transitivity. Let ordered pair AB belongs to relation R and ordered pair BC belongs to relation R. This implies mod A minus B is a multiple of 2 and mod AB minus C is a multiple of 2. It means A minus B is a multiple of 2 and B minus C is also a multiple of 2. This implies A minus B plus B minus C is also a multiple of 2. This implies A minus C is a multiple of 2. So, mod A minus C is also a multiple of 2. This implies ordered pair AC belongs to relation R. Therefore, R is transitive. As relation R is reflexive, symmetric and transitive, therefore R is an equivalence relation. Take one more example. Let Q be the set of all rational numbers and R be the relation on Q, defined by R containing the ordered pair xy in which 1 plus x into y is greater than 0. Determine whether R is an equivalence relation. Since 1 plus x into x equals to 1 plus x square is always greater than 0 because for every rational number x, x square is always greater than or equals to 0. So ordered pair XX belongs to the relation R, therefore R is reflexive. For symmetric, let's assume ordered pair XY belongs to the relation R. So it means 1 plus x into y is greater than 0. This implies 1 plus y into x is also greater than 0. So ordered pair yx belongs to the relation R. Therefore, R is symmetric. For transitive, let the ordered pair xy belongs to relation R and ordered pair yz belongs to relation R. This implies that 1 plus x into y is greater than 0 and 1 plus y into z is also greater than 0. But from this, we can't conclude that 1 plus x into z is also greater than 0. Here, we require to give one counterexample which doesn't satisfy the condition of transitivity. Let's take the ordered pair minus 1, 0 belongs to relation R and ordered pair 0, 2 belongs to relation R because 1 plus minus 1 into 0 equals to 1 is always greater than 0 and 1 plus 0 into 2 equals to 1 is also greater than 0. But the ordered pair minus 1, 2 doesn't belongs to relation R because 1 plus minus 1 into 2 is equals to minus 1 which is less than 0. Therefore, R is not transitive. As relation R is reflexive and symmetric but not transitive, therefore R is not an equivalence relation. I hope that you have understood the concept of equivalence relation. So try to solve this assignment. Thank you.